Hi everybody, it's time for April Pick a Stick Challenge. We have 3 challenges going on. This is a Facebook group. If you don't know about Pick a Stick, come and join us over there. We have a journal page, an altered tag, and an artist trading card each month. So let's start with the journal page. There are 6 prompts, and we're going to start with the colors. We have 2 colors here. And those are my purple sticks, so I'm just going to grab, this is turquoise and apricot are the colors. Sorry, let me turn my phone noises off. Turquoise and apricot. Okay, so that's our colors. We're going to need those for the next steps. Then we need 2 green sticks. Let's see, there's 1, there's 2 green. We need 2 orange, which is technique. So 1, 2 orange. We need 1 blue, which is descriptive. Let me get down in here. See if I can find a, that's not blue, this is blue. Find a blue. We need 2 red. Get red. There's 1. There's 2 red. We've got the purple, and we need 1 yellow stick. So let me get a yellow. Okay. So now we just mix these up. I'm done with this basket. And I can start with our challenge. So we're going to go 1 through 6 here. So I'm going to start with an orange, which is smash. A green, which is crayon. Red, which is sew. A yellow, which is scallop. And a blue, which is light. And let's see, what do we have? I guess we'll go back to orange, which is color. It's a technique. Then we've got, for wild card, we've got Frisket. That's a masking product. If you guys don't know what Frisket is, that's a masking product, which a lot of people use with their watercolor. And then the other one is glue. So that's all of that. So back these things go. That's our Pick a Stick challenge. I'll get a graphic done and post it in the group. The next thing is the artist trading card. There are 3 steps, a wild card, and a color. So I'm going to pick the color first, which is turquoise. Don't need the other purple. I'm going to grab a stick here, which is smash. And grab another stick, which is scallop. And the last one is going to be glue. And then our wild card is Frisket. Remember, that's a masking fluid. Okay, so that's it for the artist trading card. Next one is the altered tag challenge. So we have 4 steps, a wild card, and a color. So once again, we'll pick our color first, which is, where's my other purple? Turquoise. Okay. It's like turquoise is the big winner this time. First stick is going to be sew. Next stick is going to be crayon. The next stick is going to be smash. Fourth one is light. And the wild card is color. Okay, so remember the graphics are over on the Facebook group. That's Pick a Stick Challenge for the Facebook group. The link will be down below. Come and join us if you want to work through these challenges. And be sure and post your work so that we get to see what you've done with these. And I'll see you again soon. Bye for now.